I've been exploring the Burger King app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Burger King app. First, let's talk about what the Burger King app really offers. It's designed to make your fast food life a bit easier, giving you access to exclusive mobile coupons, secret deals, and the option to order ahead at most Burger King locations. You can explore the full menu, find detailed nutritional information, and locate the nearest restaurant all from within the app. It also supports Apple Pay and Google Pay, which is convenient if you prefer contactless payments. Now, onto the positives. The biggest advantage here is the mobile offers. Burger King consistently pushes out special deals that you won't find in-store, like discounted combo meals or limited-time promotions. That's a big plus if you're a frequent visitor. The app also gets points for simplicity. Once you've set up your location, you can place an order pretty quickly and skip the line when you arrive. The interface has improved over time, especially with the recent update that introduced a fresher design and better performance. But the app isn't without its downsides. While it's rated an impressive 4.7 out of 5 on the App Store, many users still report technical issues, like freezing screens, login problems, and occasional crashes. Some reviews mention that reinstalling the app is the only way to fix these bugs, which shouldn't really be necessary. There are also complaints about vague update notes. Users feel developers often post repetitive bug fixes and improvements without explaining what actually changed. Then there's the delivery side. A few users have shared frustrating experiences where orders were misplaced, delivery fees were unclear before payment, or food was left at the wrong location. While these might be isolated incidents, they do suggest room for improvement in customer support and order tracking. To be fair, Burger King's team does respond to user complaints, and they've made visible progress over time. The app works well for most people, especially if your main goal is saving money with those mobile deals. Still, reliability could be stronger, and transparency on fees and updates would go a long way in improving trust. So overall, if you're a regular Burger King fan, the app is definitely worth it for the discounts and convenience. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.